Hi loves, and welcome to my channel. Today's look, we are going for affordable everyday makeup using drugstore products. From my foundation to my eyeshadows and all the products at drugstore. So to start with, of late I've been using milk of magnesia a lot on my face due to the oil control effect that it has. I already have my milk of magnesia already in my little cup here, where I'm going to use my brush to apply it on my face. I'm done with applying the milk of magnesia on my face. I'm going to let it dry off. The next stage I'm going to do is my eyebrow. I'm going to use the Davis eye pencil in color 3 to do my eye. I like to draw my brow first before filling in all the spaces that is left. I'm done with that. I'm going to use the Rimmel London Match Perfection concealer to clean my brows. I'm going to use this small blending brush to blend the concealers underneath the eyebrow. Done blending, I'm going to continue with my eyeshadow. The shadows I'm going to use today is the AC Beauty palette, this color Cinnamon. I'm going to go in with the Rimmel London concealer again. This one is lighter than the first one I used. I'm going to use this to cut crease. This look just as I want it. I'm going to use my e.l.f. eyeliner in color black to line my eye before I put on my lashes. I'm done with my eyeliner. I'm going to leave my lashes for now and continue with my face. When I finish, I'll put on the lashes as last. The foundation I'm going to use today for my face is the Max Factor and the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation. I'm going to combine these two foundations today and apply on my face. I've spread this foundation around my face. Now I'm going to start blending it all in. Done with my foundation, I'm going to use my concealer, which I'm going to use to conceal underneath my eye. I'm going to use my Free Blur powder underneath my eye. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless powder. I'm going to go onto the places that I applied the Free powder onto and blend it in very perfectly. Finish with that, I'm going to go with my bronzer powder onto the places that I applied my dark powder onto. I'm going to highlight my face using the Carli Bybel highlighters. It has a very soft finish. Almost finished. I'm going to line my lips using this brown lip liner. Done using the lip liner, I'm going to go in with my lipstick. I'm back. I'm finished with my lashes and my hair, and everything is ready now. Your girl is ready to go, and here is my final look. So here comes the end of today's makeup look. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and this whole makeup look was inspired by Patricia Bright. I like her makeup, how she always goes neutral, and that's what I went for today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you like it and you've enjoyed it. If you do, make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.